Number 5. Shunai Pet Feeding Mat for Dogs and Cats. Extra large, flexible, and waterproof pet food and water bowl. Easy to clean dog food mat floors with non-slip back. Perfect size for most dogs or cats bowls and pet feeders. This food mat can also be used as a cat feeding mat. Deep enough grooves, more efficient to capture litter and keep paws clean. Say goodbye to messy floors. Easy to clean and store. Simply shake it off, vacuum it or give it a quick rinse to clean it. Flexible feeding mat conveniently allows you to roll it up and store away with ease. Number 4. Bone Dry Rubber Pet Food Mat. Durable material and easy clean. This food mat is made of 100% natural and recycled rubber. Slip resistant and great for your messy pet. Keep your floor clean and protected. This non-slip, spill-proof feeder mat keeps all food and other debris contained within the tray, protecting your hardwood, carpet and other flooring. Number 3. Gosmol Dog Food Mat. Waterproof pet dog food tray, washable dog bowl mat, non-slip pet dog feeding mat, silicone dog placemat for floors. Handle design. The food dog tray with 4 handles design that can making easy to carry water when after feeding. It easy to take dog food mat with water into sink of kitchen. Don't worry the water will spilling anywhere. Number 2. Pet Fusion Waterproof Pet Food Mat. Multiple sizes for dogs and cats. FDA grade silicone, superior hygiene, non-toxic, hypoallergenic, multiple sizes. Premium FDA grade silicone, superior hygiene, water stain resistant, non-toxic, non-allergenic. Durable to stand up to repeated use, with anti-slip bumps on top and bottom to prevent sliding and maintain steadiness. Easy cleaning, soft, flexible material, easy to clean under the sink or with a wet cloth paper towel. Dishwasher safe. Number 1. Humble Pet Food Mat Feeding Tray. The perfect size with raised edges. Humble's Pet Mat is the perfect size for your beautiful living spaces. This perfect size will fit all ideal pet food bowls and water bowls easily without worrying about the mess after. It is flexible to be stored anywhere and portable to be brought on the go. Superior quality exists. This mat consists of premium grade quality silicone